एक्सेस डिमांड, तो गवर्नमेंट क्या करेगी, CRR बढ़ा देगा। CRR जैसे ही बढ़ेगा, now more of cash from commercial banks will flow to RBI and commercial bank will be less in position to give more of loan. So it will reduce the loans and in that way the investment will be reduced in the economy. Is this clear? अच्छा, मैंने पहले भी हमारा सिचुएशन थी जब CRR कम करते करते we have come to 5%, 0.5% करके गवर्नमेंट घटाती है. Every
7% then
6.5 then 5 then it came to 5%. Now 0.5% का reduction, listen clearly, 0.5% का reduction brings 20,000 crores of cash in the economy, and that helps the economy for proceeding further. Followed now? So is this clear to you? Then we are having SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. Again it is, who knows? Who can tell about it? Fast. Statutory liquidity ratio. Like certain amount, RBI has, जो हमने अभी CRR बोला था, certain amount of cash, commercial bank has to keep it in form of cash with the RBI. Same way, commercial bank has to certain percentage in the form of liquid with itself. That is SLR, statutory liquidity ratio. Means that is not included in the everyday withdrawals. Certain amount अपने पास हमेशा रखेगा, जरूरत पड़ेगी तब यूज होगा. ओके, अगेन ड्यूरिंग डेफिसिट डिमांड क्या होगा, SLR को कम किया जाएगा ताकि ज्यादा पैसा फ्लो करे.
बट एक्सेस डिमांड में
कम में इंक्रीज हो जाएगा. यू आर टेलिंग अबाउट एक्सेस डिमांड, आई वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट डेफिसिट. डेफिसिट डिमांड में SLR विल बी रिड्यूस्ड एंड एक्सेस डिमांड में SLR विल बी रिड्यूस्ड. क्लियर? देन देयर आर आल्सो मार्जिन रिक्वायरमेंट. Margin requirement for fifth one. It is again in the form of percentage being fixed. Means when investor comes with a loan, supposing an investor coming with a loan of 1 lakh, the government will not give directly the loan of 1 lakh. In 20%, if this is margin requirement is of 20%, then it will retain that 20,000 with itself, and the loan of only 80,000 will be passed. That is in the वो जो 20% रख रही है, it is a security of that person, and that this system is called margin requirement. So by raising and decreasing this margin requirement also, the amount of loan can be reduced or है ना. तो फिर अपनी सिचुएशन वही एक्सेस डिमांड डेफिसिट डिमांड, अब आप खुद ही शायद मेरे ख्याल से अंदाजा लगा सकते हो कि किस सिचुएशन में कैसे क्या हम रिएक्ट करेंगे. ठीक है. लास्ट वन इज द मॉरल सुएशन. मॉरल सुएशन मीन्स RBI time to time suggests and guides all the commercial bank to behave in what way. Means if it is a situation of excess demand, then how a bank should behave. If it is a situation of deficit demand, how a commercial bank should behave. And that this suggestive mood of RBI, we call it as a moral suasion. Followed? So this is all about your excess demand, deficit demand, and your measures to. I hope everything is clear. Any question in your mind? Just ask.
Persuasion means?
Persuasion. To convince somebody.
Because it is a guardian. So it can always tell commercial banks, listen,
Do
you
this,
have to
do
behave
that.
like that because economy is in the crisis.
The word has come from persuasion.
Persuade कर.
And that's why we call it moral, means moral support, moral
There is no
suggestions.
need of any legal action